Prospector Steve, I'm back with a video this week. I could not publish last week. I was actually in Las Vegas. 1 week ahead of the Super Bowl there. Vegas is certainly a great city. A lot of stuff to do in Las Vegas. So actually had a fantastic surface find there, which I will share with you in next week's video. So this is a video of my last hunt in 2023 that took place here in the 6. I found a lot of silver towards the end of last year, and my last hunt in Toronto, just in around prior to Christmas time, did not disappoint. So sit back in this one and buckle up for this video. Okay, first find of the morning looks to be a Canadian nickel. It's definitely a Canadian nickel, and it's looking pretty modern. Browned out, but modern nickel. 5 cents, first find. Alrighty, see ya on the next. Okay, I think I've just found a nickel or a quarter. Definitely a quarter. 5 cents. Pretty good. I like it. There's our health on the back. That's pretty modern. Alright. Modern quarter. We'll see on the next. I just spotted something in the field that I will pick up as well, which looks pretty cool. Got it out of the corner of my eye. that soon. See you on the next one. So there we go, folks. Last week found a helicopter. This week, oh look at that. Got a bit of a tiger shark look to it. This guy's got some moves. Love these trucks. There it is, just lying there. Never know what would happen to that in the elements. Would eventually get buried. Anyway, there we go. See ya on the next one. Okay, I don't know what I just found. It's looking like a potential earring of some type. I am actually not sure. There is a hook here. Yep, it's definitely an earring. Okay, so it is an earring. There is the hook there. Just dropped it, sorry. We'll clean that up and we'll see if we can get a shape or a design to it. I don't think it's silver or gold or anything like that, just kind of an earring. Looks green on one side, gold color in the back, or brass. Alright, well there we go. There's an earring, piece of jewelry. Looks like we just found another piece of jewelry. Probably would have been a pin of some type. Right there. Or a shield. Pin of some type. Continue to check this hole here. There's maybe something else there. See you on the next. So I thought I had a junky piece of metal. It turns out that this, well, it may be, I'm not sure what this is. It could be a zipper. Maybe that's what that is. And it's got something on it. Looks like maybe a horse. Could be a zipper. We'll take a look at that a little bit more closely. If that is anything. Anyway, see you on the next. Okay, wasn't sure what I had. Thought I had a piece of junk there because I had some aluminum, but there we go. It's actually a dime. Canadian dime, 10 cents. I've kind of switched locations here today. Was not finding a heck of a lot. Did find that earring. Found a nickel afterward and a bunch of pennies, and so I just come to a different park. Anyway, we'll see you on the next if I find anything else. Catch you later. Well, I think we just picked up here another dime. Pretty good. It's coming in pretty solid. 20. Alright, 10 cents to put in the coffee jar. See you on the next. Well, thought I had nothing of significance here, and I was incorrect. We've got a very, very rusted out here. Looks like a quarter. So bad. Right size though. 25 cents Canada, I think. See you on the next. Holy schmoly. That's all I gotta say. This was coming in at a 26. You need to be absolutely kidding me, folks. Looking like we got a silver ring that's in a belt design. Oh yeah! Coming up on more silver. Gotta like it. See ya on the next one. So here is my wrap up for that hunt. There you can see the big, I'm gonna call that like a tiger shark dune buggy. Pretty cool. We got a couple of big dune buggies now. Zipper pull and a few other things. That's a button. It's cracked in half there. It's magnetic in the back. So that was interesting. TTC token. I think that's actually from the week before. There there's the clad coins, lots of pennies. Not a heck of a lot of value there. 95 cents in clad coins. We did find a couple of young Lizzie pennies. So there's one of them. A lot of green patina on that. This one is a lot cleaner. 1950s. Looks like 1959. So this was my last hunt for the year. It was just in and around Christmas time, so that was interesting finding that candy cane earring. And then the best find, there it is, a silver ring. See if we can see the stamp in it. But it is stamped 925. And it's a belt buckle ring. Fantastic. Never found a belt buckle ring before, but have found silver rings. So there we are. Last hunt of the year from 2023. We'll be back at metal detecting again soon. Maybe next week I'll show you some of the best surface finds of the year that I've had. Had a great surface find already this year, and I'll include that too. So there we go. See ya next week.